Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process on how to install, set up and use your app Kit Action Automation for workflows. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace and search for the app. Then you click on it, click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Once your app has been successfully installed, refresh your tab and you click on the custom page to have access to the interface. At the level of the interface of the app, we have the access to the documentation. We have access to the Smart Queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials of the apps. We also have a video that is going to walk you through to complete your app setup. We have the app setup. The app has not been connected, no worries. Let's walk you through on that. We've already created our account online. We head to the accounts, navigate and click on our profile, click on the settings, and click on developer. Then click on copy your API. Head back to your account, click on start setup, and you paste your API. Head back to the account online. You show your secret copy, head back to your account, and you paste. Then you click on complete setup. There you go. Your app has been completely set up and connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket for our team and as well book a call with our team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you will see all the necessary updates and changes concerning the app. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and you click on the subscribe button. There you go. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available 24/7 for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.